Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. Imagine guys, you have Excel data, but you are not sure which chart type is the right for your data. So you can always try using ChatGPT to get the best chart for your data. If you are someone using Excel in your day-to-day job, let me tell you something: you are going to be replaced unless you are integrating AI in your Excel. If you integrate AI in your Excel workflow, let me tell you something: you are going to be 10x more productive and you will be getting that promotion that you deserve. If you want to learn all this, join me for my 2 hours workshop on Excel using AI. So this will be the Excel sheet that we'll be seeing today. And we are asking the ChatGPT to recommend the chart. What are the charts that are best suited for the columns that we are selecting? And I'll be using the order step, and this Excel sheet is available in Kaggle. You can download it. And we have these are the columns like order date and order date, ship date, customer name, country, city, and like region. Mainly there are sales and profit. Okay, so we are asking the ChatGPT to give the right data. Okay, so I'll be the sheet has been attached. Okay, whatever the sheet we have seen it has attached. I'm giving the above attached sheet. The type of data. So double based on the recommended sheet. Okay, here also we can choose the charts. Okay, this plot based on the recommended charts. Option from the order step. Okay, because we will be using mainly from this order step. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, and one more important update guys. Okay, as you all aware that is taking over the world in such a short span of time, we have seen so many layouts, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave. So, I won't replace you, but the person using it will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and begin irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours at Tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay, and make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Okay, so if you go to this Be10x.in, you will get this link. And go to our workshop. You can see the upcoming workshop. Choose the MS Office. Okay, and you will see the upgraded program over here. When will be the next and why to join this course and what you will learn from this details. Okay, so don't miss the chance guys. Okay, now let's go back to our code. Okay, so it is giving the options like the line chart is best. And what are the charts that is best for this sheet it is giving? Okay, so line chart, work chart, pie chart. Okay, so let's look into this. Okay, let's look free of the examples over here. Okay, and it is giving line chart like order date with sales quantity. Okay. And so go over here, insert. Okay, so order date is here. Okay, I'll take the sales and I'll go for the order date. You can choose that recommendation whatever it is registered. And if I give over this recommended chart. Okay, so scatter plot is best. Okay, you can go with scatter plot. Okay, and you can go with the line chart. You can go with the stacked area chart. You can go with clustered column chart. Okay, so for time being I'll be using this line chart because charge it. Okay, so the same part. Okay, so this is the basic. Okay, if I glue OK, you will get the portion over here. Okay, so you can choose the background over here, whether you want to give the shaded colors over here, you can choose the color and you can do whatever you want like the layout part. And imagine you want to move this chart to whether you want to keep it in this sheet or you want to move to the another sheet, that also you can go and choose it for the new sheet. Okay, so what you'll add, it will add this details in the chart 3. Our order tab is here. It will add over here. Okay, and in addition to that, we can do other things also, like you want data labels. Okay, since it is clustered and removing it because it may not be able to see. And since it is like 2 months data, and that's what it is so clustered. Okay, in the 2 months every day their sales happen. Okay, so that's the thing, it is like looking very clustered. If you would have given for 2-year or 1-year data, the chart will look much more clustered and clumsy. So for that purpose only I took very limited like 2 months, but you can do like you can give each and you can remove some of the datas over here and you can do as you wish. Okay, and this is the access titles. If you want, you can give the access titles and data label as I said, and here are bars and a trend line. Okay, this will give how the means the sales progressed. So that also it will help to understand where are you standing, actually where my mean where your business stands. Okay, so that is one, and let's go over here. Okay, and the next chart it was suggesting us like what subcategory and profit we can give. Okay, now it was there and will subcategory and profit I am going insert and recommend the charts. Okay, so this is clustered column. So that cluster problem it is giving average of profit by subcategory. This also count of profit by subcategory. Okay, and sum of profit by subcategory. This is the overall profit. Okay, since I said the data every day that has that's what this cluster. Okay, and so by one chart guys, it is giving C average of profit. The next is count of profit and the sum of profit. So you need not to think more. Okay, if you give this option with the help of ChatGPT and if you use this recommended sheet option, it can help. Okay, that you can do, and like what else we can do in this like category and profit we can do like category and control button, and so only the selected columns will be selected. Okay, so here cluster to column average of profit, count of profit, sum of profit. If you want to check for other chart also you can. Okay, so this is the stacked column, and if you want to look for pie chart. Okay, go over pie chart and I'm giving OK. Okay, and this will be the pie chart. Okay, for a categorical column, move chart to the new sheet. Okay, and so this is the way. You can add like data labels. Okay, this clustered. Okay, so that is the part actually, and so this is the way guys. Okay, like if you're not aware of what their chart type to choose based on your data, you can go with ChatGPT, and with the help of this insert options also you can select. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. Take care. Bye bye. See you again. Bye.